I'll do this one. It's coconut, like non-dairy yogurt, but it's like extra probiotics, so you're only supposed to eat 1 spoonful a day. It actually tastes pretty good. It's just like really sour. Work time. Hi friends, good morning. Happy Monday. I am doing some work this morning and then headed to Toronto tonight to see Post Malone and Jellyroll, and I'm so excited. I honestly haven't decided what I'm gonna wear tonight, so I need to get that figured out. I am working a few hours this morning and then we are driving to Toronto this afternoon before the concert. So I have lots to do in the next few hours. I need to get some work done. I have to take a shower, get myself ready, and then probably like get ready for the concert here. I'm not sure if I'll have time to like get myself ready at the hotel before we have a dinner reservation before the concert. So I'm thinking I probably won't have time and I should probably get ready here if I can. So we'll see. I'm a little nervous. For anyone who doesn't know me, because I have not posted on my channel in such a long time, I have kind of gone on and off with my YouTube channel over the last decade. For a while, I was like very consistent between, I would say like 2014 to 2016, and then I revived it again like during COVID, during lockdown, like 2020, 2021. And then I just didn't really post anything from like 2021 onwards until now. I have still been posting like reels and TikToks and things like that, and I've actually been getting more into the short form content creation, but I thought it would be fun to get back onto YouTube. I've personally been enjoying watching vlogs a lot. I just miss doing it, so I think this will be fun. And this is honestly the perfect time for me to get back into vlogging too, because I have so much fun stuff coming up. I'm seeing Post Malone in Toronto tonight, and then the rest of the week I'm going to be preparing for a trip. My friend Haley is turning 30 next week, so we planned a little girls trip and we're going to like Tampa, Clearwater, St. Pete area, and I have never been there before, but it looks absolutely gorgeous. So I have some appointments, and yeah, we'll do like a pack with me and all of that good stuff. So yeah, I think this should be a fun vlog getting ready for my trip and going to the concert, and then I'll have some more vlogs next week from my Florida trip. So I'm going to get into my work. I need to get myself all packed up and showered and ready. So I'll see you guys in a bit after I get some work done. So we just got to Toronto. We just checked in at the hotel and we are heading to dinner shortly. I am just putting some makeup on and getting into my outfit for the concert. And then we're meeting up for dinner with my family. Everyone else, we got here a little later than we planned. There was bad traffic, as Toronto usually is. I'm here by myself, getting ready while everyone else heads to grab a drink. All right, I'm going to do my makeup and get dressed for the concert really quick and then head to dinner, and I'll see you guys at the concert. Okay, here is the fit, pretty basic, but let's go to dinner and then we'll go see Post Malone. Let's go.
Thank you so very fucking much for sharing this beautiful evening with me tonight, ladies and gentlemen.
2 days later.
My girl, you say good morning. Hello.
I did not expect to love the pistachio vanilla Nespresso pods. I typically don't end up liking the flavored coffees, but the flavored espressos, so good. I think I need to get more of these. I only got one sleeve because I wasn't sure if I'd like it, but they're actually amazing. I'm looking a little rough because I washed my hair and just air dried it earlier, and it's also raining right now. But I am heading in for a pedicure appointment. I always like to get like a fresh pedicure before I go on a trip, and I also need to do my nails. But I'm gonna do my nails myself, and I'm getting a gel pedicure. I don't know what color I'm gonna get, so let's head in. I can pick out a color and then we'll get this pedicure done.
The following day.
Hi friends, we are continuing the vacation prep. I am on my way to a hair appointment. I am just getting my highlights touched up. My roots are looking pretty dark, so I'm excited to have some fresh blonde. I usually get my hair touched up like every 2 months, like I have an appointment every 8 weeks or so. And it kind of just coincided with my trip that I would need to get my hair done right before the trip, so perfect timing. So yeah, we're gonna head to my hair appointment and I'll see you at the salon. It was so late when I left the salon last night that I never got to show you guys the finished result of my hair. So this is how it's looking now. It's much brighter and blonder, and I am so happy that I was able to get it done before my trip. So yeah, this is how the hair is looking now. I love it so much. We are heading over to my mom's house right now to go hang out with my family for a bit. Tomorrow we're driving to Toronto, and then that will be the start of my journey to Florida. I was really hoping I would have time to do a pack with me type of segment, but I was literally running around like a chicken with my head cut off this morning, literally just scrambling to find everything that I needed and shove it all in my suitcase. I did manage to take a quick little like aesthetic TikTok thing where I would just had like some things placed in my suitcase. So I'll insert that here for you guys to see. I think it came out pretty cute. But I just finished packing everything up and we're just loading up the car, and then we're gonna be heading to Toronto. So I thought I would finish off this vlog here, and then I'm going to start my Florida vacation vlog. So if you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching this vlog of a few days in my life and getting ready for my trip. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm super excited to get back into vlogging. I think it's gonna be a really fun outlet for me, especially for the summer when there's so much fun stuff going on. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video in Florida. Bye!